My name is Paul J. Johnson. Woo! Alright, this is one of my own songs here, and it's about the loss of the end of Florida in 2100. So I moved it up, moved the key up, so it'd be more interesting for me. I hope it's interesting for you too. Faster and higher, baby! For my pirate parrots die, is Florida gonna be circumcised? If I laugh, oh, if I cry, Florida gonna be circumcised. The end cut off. When you're the last alligator to go, just roll off into the Gulf of Mexico. Look into the vast envelope, Everglade, like any queen Crayola ever made. For my pirate paradise, Florida gonna be circumcised. If I laugh, oh, if I cry, Florida gonna be circumcised. 1, 2, 3, 4, for a margarita, you'll just need tequila and lime. For on the ground there is plenty of brine. Soon enough, you and I could lose the keys to a Cuban point of observation on the sea. For my married paradise, Florida gonna be circumcised. If I laugh or if I cry, Florida gonna be circumcised. And New Orleans is an island standing in the breeze. And New Orleans, lovely island, giving hope to those in need. Well, with CSI Miami's David Caruso say, read it, if he sees when he sees an overflowing bay. He sees when he sees water to his knees. With his put his sunglasses slowly on and utter, somebody better call a plumber. You won't be fooled again. Whoa, want me stairs, press stairs, salt water kills. Want me stairs, press stairs, salt water kills. Want me. There we go. Alright, thank you. So, yes, 2100 sea level rise. Catch it before it gets you. Alright, let's see. This is my, another one of my own here, a little slower. Okay. It's highly rated in Norway on the Spotify. Woo! So this is The Fisherman's Net. Alright, shoot.
No, shit's okay, shit's okay.
Can I tell you one thing that I know to be true is that our love, though beautiful, can be fragile nonetheless. Can I tell you that I love to smell your hair? Wet with rain, what will we do when it becomes dry again? Oh, love is like a fisherman's net, for when it's wet and moving, pick it up to look at it whole. It's rather holy, like a wave we're headed for. Passing over the ocean floor, soon to break, coming on shore, no longer there to say ah. And if I don't call you to set if you don't try to start a fire. And after I knew I'd had the best Tuesday of all time, I thought to steal you just to make sure that you were mine. Oh, love is like a fisherman's net, oh, when it's wet and moving. Pick it up, look at it hold, it's rather holy. Like a wave we're headed for, passing over the ocean floor, soon to break, coming on shore, no longer there to say hey, hey. And if it lasts, it'll be a kind of slow and vicious thing. The well looks dry, but it's fed by an eternal spring. Oh, love is like a fisherman's net, oh, when it's wet and moving. Pick it up, look at it fall, it's rather holy. Like a wave, we're headed for, passing over the ocean floor, soon to break, coming on shore, no longer there to see. Whoa, 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 Right, yes. Norwegians love those marine-based songs, or fisherman's songs. All right. Let's try something I've never tried before. What could go wrong, right? All right, this is fun. This doesn't use too many chords, so it should be okay. It's a cover. I remember, what was my mind. So special about that place. Even your emotions that we know in so much space. When you're right there, got a feeling out of touch. No, because they know now. Just look too much. first time out, not too bad. All right, thank you. Paul J. Johnson, thank you.
One more time for Paul J. Johnson. He is not, in fact, crazy, or he's done ripped me for a whole bit. I expected that. Holy moly, buddy. God.